Welcome to the learning journey of FDERD Company. Our course designed to improve the allergen management for food business operators. Understanding the allergen management, a common topic within health, fitness, and food safety programs. We will focus specifically on food allergens, explaining their significance in ensuring both consumer health and regulatory compliance. Picture this. For the food production and packaging, allergen management stands as a beacon of necessity. Yet, despite its critical nature, misconceptions persist among employees. Instead of honing in on food-related allergens, discussions often stray to dust and pollen allergies. Herein lies the gap we aim to bridge. Enter our specialized training course, designed for those poised to navigate the intricacies of allergen management within food and packaging manufacturing. This course isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about empowering individuals to fulfill their roles effectively while safeguarding consumer well-being. Why the emphasis? Because allergen management isn't just a passing trend. It's a cornerstone of global labeling regulations and food safety standards. From IFS and BRC to ISO 22000, compliance hinges on adept allergen management. The updated Code of Practice on Food Allergen Management for Food Business Operators underscores the imperative for comprehensive training. It's not just about labeling, it's about fostering a culture of safety and responsibility at every level of the operation. Our recommended training, Hygiene for Staff, serves as a gateway to understanding allergen management for the staff. Through this foundational program, participants gain a heightened awareness of allergen risks and mitigation strategies, setting the stage for informed decision-making and proactive measures within the manufacturing environment. So, join us as we delve into the world of allergen management. Let's ensure that every step of the production process, from handling raw materials to labeling finished products, is conducted with precision and care, safeguarding both regulatory compliance and consumer health. See you in the course FDERD.